Where are we going?
We are headed to Santa Ynez to pick up a 40s or 50s. I'm not sure what year it is, but it's a COE cap over engine, old semi bread truck or food truck. But Johnny found it on Facebook Marketplace for free. They said you haul it, it's yours, and it looks like it's all there. The box is really nice, it's all aluminum. The cab's all there. The windows and all that stuff looks good. It's just kind of mossy and a little rusty, but it looks pretty decent. It's in a dry area, so it shouldn't have any substantial rust. So we're thinking about taking the cab off. We're just gonna go look at it first and see what it is. We don't know if there's engine in it. She doesn't know if there's engine in it. Basically, she said, come pick it up, it's yours. So we're gonna check it out, and I'll put some pictures and cool video when we get there. So here's the old Ford. There's an estate sale, so there's a ton of people getting stuff. Let's see right there. So we're gonna yank it out. All the tires seem pretty flat, but yeah, we'll see how this process goes. So Johnny grabbed the longest strap possible. It's a 10-footer. Nice hat, nice shirt, and then got Casey sunglasses. Sell out.
Just making fun of me today.
Anyways, there's our long strap. We got Daniel pulled the hitch pin out. It's a Sunday. We're really feeling it. We don't even have a hitch pin to hold it. But we're gonna try yanking this out. We don't have no air in the tires, so at least it won't keep on rolling. The trailer that you got is a dovetail, and you can tell how low this thing is. So there's a lot of ducks. Lots of ducks. Bump it, you get out of the hole. I have a brake in my hand. Up or moving it or no? It lifted. No, it's fine. Yeah. Sounds like an old boat moving, like old ship. I want to turn the wheel.
Don't go anywhere around there. Let them deal with it. They already looked around it.
Yeah, they know.
But it
You don't
moved.
need any.
And the tires don't look flat. It's pricey.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's get it out of the hole. The tires don't look too bad.
You want a shovel, man?
Get all your ducks in a row, Manuel.
All my ducks in a row. The truck rolls. The tires are that tire. Look at the tire. It's like a square. So no brake, no clutch. Has no brake. Can't see anything. I got a pink polka dot seat cover so I don't get icky poked all over me. Johnny's calling me to communicate. Hello? Yeah. I'm gonna sit this here. Got it. I'm floored on the e-brake. The e-brake, I don't think it works either. I have nothing except steering. I can't see out of my other mirror either. Am I going the wrong way?
You're fine.
I don't know if you guys could see this at all. The what? See, turn harder? All right. Oh my God. I can't see you. Stop. Or keep on going, I guess. I was worried about it not stopping.
Yes.
Do you want to?
Wow. You guys survived.
That wasn't bad. Alright, so we're going to get this cab flipped over. So we're yanking on this quite a bit, trying to open it. We already opened it, so we're not going to lie to you and say this is the first time we ever opened it. There's one lever to go up a hair, and then another lever to pull it. It has coils underneath. Let's see under there. Like a safety. I was trying to make it go faster, but there's springs and this just make it so it doesn't. It's kind of bent, but it is kind of bent.
What's bent?
It might be bent on purpose.
What is? No, that is for sure.
Is it bent on purpose or?
Yeah.
Nice. So he's searching for pennies.
What is this?
Hear me out?
What's up?
Nothing too crazy.
Come on, Carson.
Boat motor in here. LS swapped the other boat too.
Put the 460 in this?
Yes.
No, we're just gonna see if they said it ran, so we're gonna try. They're gonna try to make it run.
We are going to try to get this truck running today, and then this thing.
Yeah, so we're gonna pop the wrap hoop off, and then let's go on the other side. So we're gonna smack my head. So air filter off. So let's pull that part off first.
It's pretty clean in there.
That's thermal quad, turbo quad. Just kidding. I don't know carburetors. It's a very small carburetor. Take that thing off.
We don't need that.
I'm just kidding.
Oh, it's connected to each other. That's when you don't use distilled water.
So we're only gonna be able to, if anything, fire it up a little bit.
Found a nest. What were you trying to buy or find? A ton of rocks. This was a rock collector. Squirrel or rat. Look at that. It's a ton of rocks.
Maybe those are its babies that are dead.
No, they look like rocks.
Fossilized. Okay, so we're gonna, I don't know how to work with the camera up. We're gonna work on this thing. Doesn't have keys, so we're gonna have to hotwire it. So we're gonna spray some happy spray, and then figure out some way to jump to the starter. Is it the shifter?
It's a gas pedal.
Whoa. That's stick shift.
Oh no, it's to the tranny
We'll figure it
for
out.
the transmission. No, well, because it's a stick shift.
That's a gas
It
pedal.
is a gas pedal.
So that's really cool.
Gas pedal. I knew that. What's all these?
There's
And
a
the
linkage
choke.
from the gas pedal to that, to the carburetor. Carburetor.
Might have to tickle her a little bit.
So what should we do?
Start it.
I told you the points aren't even adjusted as well. And there's like a little thing cleaner in there. This thing is
Oh, this. There you go.
ready to rock. And there's all clean, so don't even have to, I don't think we have to adjust any of that.
Pull it or take it off again.
Reenactment?
No, not reenactment.
Dramatic
I just wanna-
reenactment?
Nope. Look how clean it is in there. 30 years for sitting.
The points do look pretty. You might have to
What do you think about that, Carson?
It was a good find.
Carson's new to the television business, so
The generator, the air compressor popped on. Wow. That turned over pretty.
Oh god. The bugs.
I think I have a. It's spun enough. That's. Maybe it has no compression.
they drove it there.
Well, 30 years ago.
Well, they still drove it. Why would it lose compression? Carb.
Where's the fuel line? It's a soft line right here.
Dude, that turns over really nice.
There's the soft line to the fuel pump. Pop it off right there.
Put a gas jug on it. My goal is just to get it to bump over a little bit. So we're gonna get a battery,
Battery.
put it in there.
Do we have any starting fluid?
Oh, we sold the blue truck.
Starting.
Yeah,
to
to
Anthony.
Anthony. You'll still see the truck around, but our buddy said this reminds me of my childhood, and I really love this truck. He actually didn't say anything like that. He just really liked. I think it's gonna start.
What? Do you have any starting fluid?
No, brake cleaner does the same
Do
thing.
you have brake cleaner?
You don't?
No. We have gasoline.
No, we'll just try gas.
Yeah, the boy. He's getting proud. Here, let me. I don't want to get gas in my hands. Is that a fuel strainer or a paint strainer?
Yes.
Knucklehead. There's that much stuff in that tank. We've been filling the Bronco with that thing all the time.
That's why it runs so
How much
good.
gas you got?
I still. Well, it works.
We got
It's
some
gas.
sediment, but
Past the carb is fine because it just rides on the pistons, right?
yeah, that's how it works.
I
Starter,
can't remember which one you got jump.
starter ignition.
So it's not that one. It's not that one either.
Did you just jump?
Right? This is battery? Yeah, that's battery. So you should just be able to go from the fucking battery to... I can't remember which one of these makes it go.
Both a bit.
Got to tickle it a little bit.
Tickle it, he says. Just give it a little test tickle.
Dented it
Dented it? Where are you smashing it?
all over the place. Where could I hit it?
All right, try. on fire. Hold on. All right, we're good.
Well, no, you gotta crank it if it's on fire. You gotta stick that bitch down the hole.
That was a little much.
Dang.
It's so much rat poo poo in my face. We're not gonna LS swap it, we're gonna just drive it.